Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today you can see I'm working on the scope caravan behind me. Now the customer came into us for an insurance job where he's actually had impact damage from the top that he didn't actually recognise straight away. So unfortunately the van, when we've had so much rain lately, has filled up with water and destroyed all the framework on the front. So as you can see behind me, I've actually removed the whole exterior of the van and the internal wall. So we're just in the process now of cleaning up the side walls because the side walls have actually got a bit of damage as well. So we'll be cutting them out and replacing them. And we've also rebuilt the whole front wall and re-plied it. That way, once the sides are completed, we'll be refitting the front wall and rewiring it all up. This van also has a lot of water ingress on the rear of the vehicle as well. So we'll be doing the exact same process to the rear. So stay tuned to the next video where you'll see us remove and replace the whole rear wall assembly. Thanks guys. Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on this scope caravan behind me. Now you would have seen in the last video where we've removed the front and rebuilt and put it all back together. Now after we took the sheeting on the rear of the vehicle off, we've found the exact same thing. So we've got a lot of water ingress that's come from the extrusions not being sealed correctly. One thing to always make sure when you've got a caravan to check these things, that way this doesn't happen. But you'll see in another video where we actually remove this entire rear wall, rebuild it and reassemble it all back together. Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today behind me I'm working on this scope caravan that you would have seen previously in the last two videos. Now as you can see, it's progressed a little bit from the last two videos where we've rebuilt the front and rear of this vehicle. We've also rebuilt the side walls and we've just in the process of reskinning the outside, putting the external sheeting and refitting off all of the windows and fixtures to the side. So as you can see, coming back here towards the rear of the vehicle, the external sheeting has all been reapplied and we've rebuilt that rear wall as previously just said. So I'm just in the process now of fitting off all the lights to the exterior of the vehicle, fitting the rear bar, and then we'll be resealing and refitting all the extrusions on the van, as well as fitting off all the roof. So if you guys have any questions of what we do here repairing these vans, give us a call and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks guys.